Get started with Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a powerful suite of tools for collaboration and productivity. Here's how to get started quickly. Sign up. Visit the Google Workspace website and choose a plan that suits your needs. Fill in your details and create your account. Take advantage of any free trial offers to explore the features risk-free. Set up your domain. If you have a custom domain, connect it to Workspace. This helps you use your email like. No domain? No worries. Google can help you purchase one easily. Explore the apps. Once set up, dive into apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, and Meet. Start collaborating with your team instantly. Check out the Google Workspace Marketplace for additional functionalities and integrations. Customize your workspace. Adjust the settings to fit your team's workflow and needs. Train your team on best practices to ensure a smooth transition. Stay updated. Regularly check Google's updates for new features and improvements. Join user communities and forums to share tips and tricks. Now you're equipped to fully leverage Google Workspace's tools and boost your team's productivity. Want to learn more? Explore more on our YouTube channel.